Hey everyone, my name is Derek Henry, and if you have blank data in your Excel files that is a little bit frustrating to select around and over, then I've got something I think you're going to love. There's actually two macros I'm going to go through today that select data down and across. So let's take a look here. So in this example Excel file that I've got, we have a bunch of data and there are blanks throughout. So across the rows here, I've actually highlighted this in red so that you could see what is blank. Now normally we click Control Shift and the arrow keys and it'll go to the end of the contiguous region. Well, if you have blanks, it only goes up until the cell before the blank. Okay, so kind of like this. You have to press it a whole bunch of times. Now, if you want to leverage what I'm doing here, I'm using a macro that's going to select to the very last one, okay, and we run it again, it'll select to the last one using the below if we're going across, and toggle it again to all the way across to the very farthest column that is used in Excel anywhere in that worksheet. And the same thing can happen if we go down. So notice there's a whole bunch of blanks here separating the values, and it looks nice, but it's a pain to select. So if we use this second one here, select to the bottom, it goes to the very bottom of that column, and then to the one next to it, and then to the very bottom one in the entire sheet. And then we can go back to the column itself, and then back to the one next to it, and then back to the bottom of the sheet. So toggling like that is helpful because if you're filling formulas, or you're selecting everything for filtering, or if you're going to apply formatting or something like that, this lets you do it very easily. Now let's say we want to use these together. We've got to the bottom where we want, and now we've got to the side where we want to the right. Okay, there we go. That's the data set that we either want to add filtering to or format or something else. These two work really, really well together for when you're selecting a big set of data. There's a whole bunch of blanks that maybe haven't been validated yet. It makes your life quite a bit easier. So if you want to try this out for yourself, okay, selecting over blanks down or across, hit up the QR code right there so you can try that out, see how much easier it can make your life when you're moving around and selecting data. If you found this helpful, please give us a like. If you have any feedback or want to leave a comment, please do that. Share with a friend. And of course, try it out for yourself today. Thanks for watching and have an awesome rest of your day.